Welcome back to Mellow Trades channel, live trading Bitcoin breakdown in New York session. Basically, what we have today, guys, we have range bound day, just like the thumbnail say. The it's range bounding in between the 786 where we hit in the morning is where I made the update telling you guys that we cannot lose. Basically, let me put 618 here. I told you guys we cannot lose this area if we want um, the price action to go and break that hour high that we created yesterday. So what happened today with the low volume, of course, because the holiday week, uh, Thanksgiving in US on Thursday, and today it's Tuesday. Tomorrow I'm expect to be low volume as well, but basically is where we have the 618 pull from the low to the high, that the last low, not the low to the last low, to the high, and we have the 618 from uh, the high to the low that we created today. So basically, the range bound is between. Let me make is basically is between here and here. That's it was today. It was when you come to the low, you long, you come to the high, you short, and that was your day. And that was typical. I think that's typical behavior for bear market and low volume days. That's what really happened when you have, even you have a 30-minute uh, order block here. It just went through it, come back, went through it. It's like there was nothing there. There was one here with the 618 is where we had a reaction from, but this one basically we just had no idea what to do and is in the middle of the way, so we're gonna delete that or just hide it, so just to clear up the stuff. So in the morning before the New York session open, we had this tap of the 618, and that happened in 4:30. And I told you guys we can come down, we take the liquidity, and then we go. I thought that's what's gonna happen. Take the liquidity and then we go break, but I guess there was no volume, no real traders are trading the market, so basically, it just retail, um, long in the low, shorting the high, and making some range bounding. And even if we did the volume fixed profile and we take it from here to here, it will tells you this is the low, basically right here, and this is the high. So nonetheless, let's go see what happened. Let's go take a look at our Binance and see what happened to that circle. And I was worried about this today, but it looks like that we're gonna lose it, guys, right here. And we have 14 days for the day to close, which is not a good news. And if we go to the hourly, you can tell that today, which is this here, we basically just traded below the line, so no one really wanted to go push it above the line, so we just traded below the line. So that's not a good news, and it looks like in 15 minutes we're gonna close below it. um we didn't confirm above. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, but I think even if you have a pump tomorrow, you need to close above this wick to confirm this right here at 89 to 28, unless we go there. If we did that, we can go all the way to maybe 94, 96, maybe visit these lows, and then we come down. But we'll see what's gonna happen. uh that's for the micro. For the macro, for the micro, what happened today is, let's go back and let's see how did I trade today. I think I took about 3 trades today. Let's see, and let's back up. Trading views is lagging. Let's back it up to um 9:30 right here, and let's see what did we have. So 9:30 we had 15 low that we made on the 618, and we were coming because we had the, I think, the PPI, and I told you we were dumping here. I told you lose that, maybe we do SFP and go up, but we did more than SFP, just to fake everybody, and then we went up. And the 15 high, it wasn't this, guys. I marked this to know internally, but the 15 high, it was right here. um, and I told you there's 618 on the top here, and basically this was the break of structure on the 15-minute, going from this high. So I know structurally we were down, and we looked at ETH, Solana, we were both structurally down. So I know we're gonna go a down day unless we break this internally, and then we come back, and then we attack that 15. If we attack that 15, we go to the 1 hour. So that was my plan for the day. Short until I see convincingly sign of strength and a break of structure. So, and again, guys, we're traders. We're just trading the market the way it is. When I came in the morning, I saw this exactly before the New York Open. Uh, I marked up this order block right here, and that was my only order block that I marked. I don't want to. I could mark this one as a weak block right here. I can do weak order block to come back to. Unless we break this, then I mark it. We needed to break this high to break structurally bullish on the 3. The 15 is so high, I told you guys is above, but if we break this high, maybe the 15 will flip. But that was my plan in the morning, and let's see how did that go. So um, let's see if the trading view want to go there. We came back. We had a nice reaction here, guys. We had a nice reaction here. I think I took this trade right away. This was my first trade. Let me pull the exchange really quick just to confirm. What did I do today? Delete that. Go back. 9:30. Let's go back 9:30. No, I did not take a long from here, but it looks like I was considering it. I don't remember, but what I did, I took a short from this order block, basically, just for the continuation. So I saw this coming in. Just let me make sure. Today's 25. First. Yeah, it was short. So I took that short. Basically, I took that short invalidation to this wick, and TP1, it would be this order block right here. Uh, but it looks like I took profit really early on it. So I don't know why I took profit really early. Maybe I took it here, which is really, really stupid. I should have just wait for this order block. But I think I saw the bullishly candles and I saw volume. That's why. And then I took a short. I hit TP1. I believe TP2. I wanted the low. Um, let's see what happened because we came up again to that order block and then we came down. Yeah, if TP1 hit, that means I took stop loss to entry and it looks it came up for me and then it went down. Yeah, and that's what happened. I think that would be the first trade that I took. It was short continuation from this order block right here on the doji. And that's what I see here, and it just kicked me out. Okay, that was first trade for the day. I did not take this one. I could have taken it, but I didn't have the structure with me. I could have taken it to that order block. Basically, happened to, so didn't do it. So I marked this order block right here, and I did like trades in between according to just reaction. Uh, but let me see what happened here. Yeah, according just for the reaction. But I need to stick to the strategy at least 1 day or 2 day. I need to see like um, if the order block strategy, just the order block strategy would. That's why I'm reviewing every day just to see the order block strategy, so I don't have to do the like trade the reactions, and because I need to really focus on the screen to do that. So let's see. Um, yeah, we just wanted to come down to the 618 to 786. Basically, we hit it. We came back. No trade here. We made this big order block here. See what happened to this order block. Uh, I don't know why we had market cipher one, but it's okay because we didn't go on the other one. Um, yeah, so close into that order block. So no trade here for me. I think this was my second trade for the day. Short continuation. This order block right here. Delete that. We came down and let me see. Yeah, basically one candle down and then we came back to it. I think that was a loss for me that I closed really early. Um, I believe my stop. Where would I put my take profit? I think I would have put to that low. That's my take profit one. But basically, we went up right away and we closed into that order block. So I closed the trade. Uh, I closed the trade here. I think I waited to come down a little bit and I closed it. Yeah. So I closed the trade here and it was a good decision because it went to my invalidation. My invalidation here. Here we front run that order block. First of all, right here we had a break of structure. Basically, right here. So with one candle, so I marked out this order block. Uh, let's see what happened. No, we decided to go up. Uh, did I mark this order block or did it get front run? Yeah, we got a front run. Let's see the second candle. Yeah, closed under it. So no trade. No trade here. No trade here, no trade here, and we had this order block to come back to, because I think yeah, it's a weak order block. It's not as strong, so I'll wait for more confirmation. Yeah, just like that. See, I don't like this. I don't like trading this. This one we already disrespected. Uh, we closed right away on it, so no trade for me. I want to see a clean close. Basically, we front ran this order block right here. Weird, because we wanted to go up, but that's what happened when you have a low volume. Like people buys and price just goes. So the market maker won't make it to the point that you want. Okay, so basically we went up again. We had this order block. Now we SFP this one. So this order block is literally it's weak. So I'll be careful if I trade it, but I think we decided uh, to go up. Yeah, basically decided to go up. Another SFP here. We started to come down, and then I think I saw this. Let's see if I can. The only way I can justify taking a short here, guys, because we kind of SFP it, and that shows me some weakness. Structurally still to the upside, so up, down, right here, and up. So um, shorting here wasn't the right decision. Um, but nonetheless, is the strategy. But short. This is against the trend. Like shorting here was against the trend, and you just probably need to take it to this or a block right here. As nonetheless is a uh, nice trade, but what I did, I took it to here as a because I'm against trend. So I took it to here as a TP1, TP2 to the order block, which is I think we did that. Um, yeah, basically we did that. Front ran the block, and anyways, my TP1 was hit, stop loss to entry, and they took me out. I don't think we came back to this order block. We just front ran it. Amazing. So we front ran this one and we front ran this one. So, but against trend, so I take my profit and I go. I just want to see it here. Yeah, I see it here. Took my profit and go. Uh, yeah, so this order block is gone. We're gonna close on top of it, I think. Um, I don't like this one. We already got the reaction from the order block, so this touch is not for me. And what I saw, guys, this is really like this. I don't want to tell you guys this, but I saw this momentum right here. And basically, I entered on continuation long from this order block. I saw it coming down and then pumped, and I had this uh, trend line, and I said the next candle basically it came back, and I said if we close below that trend line, I'ma take the trade out, and I just wanted the trade to go to here basically as a TP1 validation. below this low. And if we were gonna lose the trend line, I would have closed it, but the next candle just boom. um, these momentum trend lines, it happens here and there. Just you have to, when you see it, you have to know it's happening, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is not taking the previous lows. It just kept going, and there is another pulse happening, and that's it. You gotta take profit at that pulse, and you might retract all of it. Plus, we had basically uh, two order blocks that it wasn't mitigated. So you gotta take and go, because you don't know it's gonna go up. But I think that was one of the trade that I took today. Uh, I don't like taking trades like that, but it just it is in the momentum and reaction. And today wasn't great for me, guys. Today wasn't great. I think that was that's it. I did not trade for the day, so everything I'm gonna do now, it's fresh. I didn't touch. Uh, but when I saw front running order block and stuff like that, I just barely break even for the day, and I left the rest. So let's see what happened. We had an order block here, not that strong, because we have one candle up. Now is strong because we're going up. Plus, we have that one here from the morning. And no, we decided to come all the way down and then go up half candle and then go up again, SFP, and then we closed into that order block, so nothing. Uh, this is a huge order block here that we made, and two candles up, so I'll leave it there. Front run it, and we went. See that? How many? Now you have one. You have one, two, three, four front run order blocks that you should have continued on it, but nonetheless, no trade. Let's see if we create another one. Yes, we did. Structurally to the upside, guys. So, and we broke this one that I wanted to break, and we even closed into the 3 minute order block. 618 is coming, the local 618, but let's see what happened. Structure on the 3 is up. Structurally, basically on the 5 is up because we closed this candle. So the longs was the game today, if they give us a chance to take it. Looks like we went up and then we came down. Did we come down? Are we front running that order block? So this one, let's hide this one. Let's hide the point of control. 618 rejection. So I always like to um, just make a note of that order block of the rejection, because we had a close in it and a bearish engulfing candle to the downside. So I like to just pay attention to it. This is still weak order block, so it's not something that 100% I would take. I will see the reaction and I will see the indicators and what they tell me. Over here, uh, yeah, same thing. So if you zoom in, is we closed in it, so no touchy. And I will mark this order block right now as an early break. This is an early break here, so I'll wait for This order block, we don't have any break of structure, guys. You might feel funny, but we don't have it until there. So all these two order blocks is still strong if we get a reaction from it. If not, we wait for this one. This is the would be the last order block before the break of structure on the 3 minute, or this one. So the structurally was very hard today. Let's see. No, close into the order block. So this one, no reaction. We don't need because we closed in it. Um, this is nice. Like uh, early break touch. So um, I like basically I could have tried that. Um, at 1 o'clock that happened. Yeah, I wasn't at the computer. I think 12:30. I think I left the computer right here at the last trade. I just left, and 3 o'clock I had a Barcelona game. Barcelona against Chelsea. It was a they we got rammed by Chelsea today. They were the better team, and we always have Araujo with the red card, so that's normal. So it was a fun game to watch. Not fun as my team lost, which is Barcelona, but it was fun to see how weak we players that we have. We have players that they're not supposed to play for Barcelona, but the team is the club is basically bankrupt, and we're dealing with the same players. Anyway, so let's go back to trading. I think I would have tried that just as an early break. Um, Short, but if you would have asked me like where do I take it, because invalidation obviously to the top. Where would I take that? This is the order block to take, but this is unbelievable. So I would have take it to this order block again, 4.8 or something like that. I would like to tell you I will take it to the low, but yeah, I would have just front run that order block again. Let's see. Um, yeah, did we close into that order block? Technically, we did. So I could have just closed the trade here, but the wick is very nice though. So I'll give it a chance. Okay. Um, let's see. It's annoying, but nonetheless, I got my TP1, and maybe right away I got TP1 right away, stop loss to entry, and I got kicked out. So let me see if I waited for that low. I mean, basically, you made another order block here, indicating weakness, but you didn't take the low. So uh, yeah, that's a high. So you need to take that low, and you made this order block, and you made another weakness here. So you could have tried. Basically, you could have tried that. This trade is done. You're already out. You had basically another trade here to go, and now you're just gonna take it to that low right here. Yeah, they're low volume trades, guys. But nonetheless, this is, it would be a lost trade right here. Um, we went through that order block validation, even if you put the validation here. So yeah, yeah, you didn't break, so it wasn't valid trade. And maybe you coming back to this order block here. Let's see. Oh wow, You just decided to come down, but I would have closed the trade here anyways. Yeah, so you broke to the upside and you came back just for that order block again, but that order block's already pumped you, so it wasn't anything to brag about. Yeah, now you made another low, so you're waiting for this. Now is strong order block, and now this one, nothing, and you already closed into that order block, so no trade here. Let's see, are you gonna front run that one? Looks like you did front run it. Beautiful. Another candle. Yeah, you just decided to go down front running the order block. Beautiful. So this one front run, this one is done. Let's see. Let's see this order block. Do we have luck with this order block? Where we are right now? 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, and the volume already dead. This one you closed in it, so no trade here. And basically, guys, you have this order block here, which is the last order block. You front run it, and always, always, always in my books, I trade the last order blocks. The next candle, if you close in it, I closed and lost. Doesn't matter. But where would I take this trade? I think I would have take it to this low right here, just front run that low, or yeah, that's a nice trade. But for me, I would have taken it maybe to here or something. I just wanted a quick. But let's leave it here. Let's see what happened. Does it have the juice to push us? And nope, it's a straight loss because we're coming so hot. We break structure, and I should have waited for this last order block. Yeah, this last order block. So, the straight loss, or we have hope. Oh, no, no hope. Didn't even take it to Hope City. Hope City. So, yeah, so not this one. It would be the last before the 15. Let's see how it's gonna react. Break structure, and we're waiting for these order blocks. Let's see what the reaction we find here. Break in the order block, so no trade here. Yeah, no trade here at all. Bye bye. And we're coming really hot, guys. We're coming down really hot. And I think we're gonna decide to go up from here. It's crazy. Today's crazy. Today's crazy. Let's see how we're gonna handle the order blocks here. Closing it, no trade. It would be frustrating, man, for the trader. That's why it would be frustrating for me. They chop you around with the low volume, so nothing here for me. Go up. Yeah, so you have this order block. And you have this order block here. Yeah, today is just a rope tug game between bear and bull, and nothing is happening. Just chop traders up and down. Yeah, nothing here. Again, front run right here. That's the name of the game, I guess, for today. Yeah, low volume. Cannot blame it. Um, mm, 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 mm. You get a reaction here, and see, guys, it's just the morning. The trade worked in the morning, but this afternoon, no. So you better just pack and go. Enough is enough, and just chop city right here. Chop, 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 chop. Doesn't even here disrespected it, to be honest with you. So, and that's 5 o'clock, so it's a game. Yeah, that's would be for today. Is just chop, and I think the algorithm take over after lunchtime to chop traders, because no real volume from retail traders, institution, and stuff like that. Probably big trading firms. They have the whole week off, especially midweek, and tomorrow is going to be crazy, dangerous too to trade. But I'm going to be trading in the morning. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to give you the update. And probably now the daily candle is closed. Let's go take a look. Where did we close? Did we save that per channel? No, we closed under it. Let's go to the daily and look what happened. Um, Basically, it's been this candle been open 18 minutes, and we already going to the pearl channel, and then we're rejecting. So that's not a good look. Again, let's see tomorrow what happens. It's a short week. Tomorrow is the last day of trading for me, guys. I'll do the videos tomorrow, and I'll see you on the next week. Let's see what we're gonna have tomorrow. But the tail, it was this one in the morning. Yeah, we confirmed the daily candle, 2 day candle, 3 day. I think is the ugly candle for tomorrow. Is gonna be doji. I don't like it. I think we're gonna stick to my path right here. We're still gonna do that, up, down, and up. Um, if we look at the 4 hour, guys, we don't have a real bottom, so that's bad. We don't have a real bottom. We don't have. Yeah, money flow is going up. So what we need now, I don't know, it's gonna sound crazy, but what we need now, we need a nuke to the downside and go up while this doing this, and then we have the beautiful, beautiful bottom with money flow going up. People don't want to hear it. They want to go up, 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 up. It's not gonna happen. Up is not gonna happen. If you want a decent bull market, up is not the answer for you. You need to go down, you need to accumulate, you need to do stuff, um, give time for people to buy. You cannot just go from one day. Anyways, that's what I have for you guys today. Mellow trades. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.